Welcome to our station. Let's know about an ingredient that's commonly used in kitchen which is rich in carbohydrate, light and easy to digest. Yeah, it's flattened rice, also known as beaten rice or called as poha in Hindi. So what is flattened rice? Flattened rice is the easily digestible form of raw rice where rice is parboiled and flattened to make flattened rice. Depending on its color, it's of two varieties, red and white, and depending on its thickness, it is thick, medium, and thin. Nutritive value of flattened rice per 100 grams. Carbohydrate is 77.3 grams. Protein 6.6 grams. Iron 20 milligram, which makes it one of the richest source of iron. Calcium 20 milligrams. Fat 1.2 grams and fiber 0.7 grams. Health benefits of flattened rice. Regulates sugar level. As it's rich in iron, helps in anemia. Aids in weight loss. It's good for your heart health. As it has a large amount of calcium, it's good for your bone health and it acts as a good probiotic. Healthy flattened rice recipe. Flattened rice nutrition mix. Let's know how to make flattened rice nutrition mix. The ingredients required are flattened rice of thick variety 1 cup, pomegranate juice 1 glass, jaggery half a cup, dry fruits like badam, cashew nut, raisins, dates and walnuts all cut into small pieces 1 cup, cardamom quarter to half teaspoon, let's know how to prepare the nutrition mix. Coarsely powder the flattened rice. Mix well all the dry ingredients like coarse powder of flattened rice, jaggery powder, dry fruits and cardamom powder, and it can be stored. And whenever you are using the mix, pomegranate juice can be added and served. This is a healthy mix which can be used as midday meal for pregnant women as it contains iron-rich ingredients.